Okay, we're back at this thing again. We're getting ready to pull the transfer head off. This is gonna, there's still coal and fines and dust and stuff in here, so it's gonna make a little bit of a mess. So I put this cardboard on here in this box, and hopefully it'll just fall down and fall into the box, and we can take it outside and burn it. We'll cover back off here. Put the 3 brass nuts that hold the cover plate on to the side. So we've left the upper bearing cage and the chain off of the auger, so I have this all silicone together. I'll get the box cutter knife and we'll slice that off as best we can. Another thing I gotta do is finish taking all these screws out. Get this a good slice all the way around, or as far around as we can get. Oopsie, sorry. Should be able to rip it loose from that. Oops, getting a little tight over there. Creep around. Okay. Pull these screws out. It'll be interesting to see the packing ring in here, because the packing ring actually isn't very old. It's only, well, this is December of 19. It was October of 18 when we fired it up with a new packing ring in it. I would expect, well, hope that the packing ring didn't get all buggered up, but maybe it did, because these brasses are a bit more worn than they should be. Okay, bottom brass, yeah, it's got some wear on it. And there's the top brass. Top one's worn pretty good, as you can see. Let me turn this thing around so I can see what you're seeing. Probably be a good idea, huh? Okay. As you can probably see, there's a pretty deep ridge right in here, so that's not good. I mean, it was like that when I put it together, and I figured it would be okay, but I guess maybe that's not okay. These are the new ones. Brand spanking new, no grooves in them or nothing. So they're ready to go. This is the packing ring, which that goes, that's inside the transfer head right here, so it'll be in there after we get the transfer head off. Well, let's see how we do here with this transfer headness. Try not to make a total mess of everything here. Well, too late for that. I guess we made a mess. Okay. So packing ring is still there. So maybe that's not the issue. So here it is. This here's the packing ring right here, so should be able to remove that pretty easily. Well, maybe not that easily. Kind of don't want to cut it. I want to get a good look at its condition. There we go. Okay, the packing ring. A little bit different than the new one, huh? Okay, well. Ooh, see right down into the where the fire is. Well, I'm going to reassemble this thing and figure out if we've got the right stuff. Let me go figure out if we got the right stuff first. And we'll be right back.